KAG's weather camera is brought to you by Lone Star Roof Systems. No jingles, just roofs.
Good Wednesday evening. Temperatures have slipped into the 50s, sitting at 59 degrees here in Bryan College Station, 51 in Brenham. The cool spot is Conroe, sitting at 47 degrees. Temperatures, though, really not too bad for this time of the year. Notice the winds have flipped around to the south and the east in response to a storm system that is digging out across western parts of the U.S. Now, notice the subtropical jet stream carrying in some mid-level moisture across parts of Texas. Pretty active for this time of the year. And also I want you to notice this swirl out across the southwest. This is an upper level low that's going to help provide some changes to our forecast here in the Brazos Valley as we head into late tomorrow night into Friday morning. So we'll talk about that here in just a second. That upper level low going to quickly eject towards the north and the east into the central Rockies and then take a dip towards the southeast as we head into Thursday evening. Now that's going to help pull in some moisture and then eventually send in a cold front as it races off towards the south and the east. Now heading into Friday, temperatures going to be a little bit cooler and it's going to be windy as well. But what about those precipitation chances? Well, let's take a look at it. Taking a look at future radar, notice that we see nothing going on across the Brazos Valley. Going to continue to see the southeasterly winds overnight. Tomorrow morning, temperatures going to fall into the mid to upper 40s, so not too far from normal, not going to be extremely chilly. Temperatures going to warm up into the 70s tomorrow afternoon. A few mid 70s thanks to the southeasterly winds that continue to feed off of the Gulf of Mexico. Now, notice as we head into Friday morning, a couple spot showers try to develop to our north and east, so rain chances pretty slight, but I'll keep them at 20% for Friday morning. Quickly going to move off to the east, though, as that cold front works its way in. Now, the main emphasis is actually heading into early next week. We're going to see a pretty nice dip in the jet stream develop across western parts of the U.S. This is actually going to allow some Arctic air to seep towards the south, and eventually this is going to move our way. Going to see some significant changes in that forecast. Models are diverging on what exactly is going to happen, though. One model we use is showing a piece of energy kind of hanging out across the southwest and then closing off into an upper level low across northern Mexico as we head into the middle of next week. So this would mean not only is it going to be cold, but we would see some overrunning precipitation in the form of some really cold rain. Now, another model we use is showing, well, we're going to see a little bit of energy hang out to the south and the west of us, and that'll carry in some cloud cover, but not much in the way of rain for the middle part of next week. So I'm using a blend of these two models, thinking we're going to see some light rain continue into Tuesday, Wednesday morning, going to be extremely cold. So we know we're going to see the cold. It's just a matter of how much precipitation are we going to experience. We're going to continue to monitor this for you over the next couple of days, and once we get this figured out, we'll let you know. But we know for sure it's going to be cold. Look at these temperatures as we head into early next week. We're talking highs in the 40s, lows in the 30s, and it's going to be windy, which is going to drop those wind chills. Stay tuned. We're talking Aggie volleyball later on in the show.